Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the first video of food series, and along this series I'll be posting videos of healthy foods. And my first video is Palak Paneer Parantha or Palak Paneer Roti. This recipe is very good for the people who are doing protein rich diet, who are seeking weight loss, and for kids as well, because palak, which is spinach, is rich in fiber and iron, and at the same time paneer, which is cottage cheese, is rich in protein. In today's video, I'll be showing you two versions of Palak Paneer Parantha. One for the people who are doing protein-rich diet for weight loss, and another for another people or for kids. So let's get started.
First, I'm gonna make paneer, and for that I'm gonna take full fat milk and I'll transfer it into a pan. I'm gonna place it on the cooktop and we'll wait till it gets warm. Once milk gets hot enough, I'll pour vinegar and water mixture in it and it will start turning into paneer. I'll keep adding water and vinegar mixture into this milk till it gets separated. I'll place a cotton cloth on strainer and I'm gonna pour the milk on this. I'll run this under clear water as well. I'll strain off the excess water. I'll transfer this paneer into a bowl. I'll add some salt to it, coriander powder, garam masala, red pepper, and cumin seeds. I'm not adding green chilies, but if you want, you can add. And I'll add some chopped onion. This is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip this. And I'll give it a good mix. I'll keep this mixture aside till my dough gets ready. For dough, I'll take the spinach and I'll wash it off, and then I'm gonna steam it for some time. The spinach is well cooked now. I'm gonna blend it. Next, I'm gonna take wheat flour. I'll add some chickpea flour and I'll pour this blended spinach into this, and I'll knead a fine soft dough. I'll add in some water as well. I'll leave this dough for about 5 minutes. I'll start rolling the paratha now. Take some dough and roll it like a roti first. I'll roll it to a mid-sized roti and then I'll put the mixture inside. And I'll join the ends like this, and I'm gonna roll it again. I'm gonna put it over a hot pan now. Once it's cooked on one side, I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna apply some clarified butter, which is ghee, on this side. If you're on a strict diet, then you can skip this step. You can just cook it from both the sides without ghee, and you can enjoy it with yogurt or some chutney. I'm cooking it with ghee and I'm going to cook it nicely on both the sides.
Palak Paneer Parantha is ready now and it is delicious, and moreover it is healthy at the same time. I'm going to serve it with butter because this is for my daughter. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with more videos soon. Bye bye for now.